one of the things I find with AI in these early days is this giant move towards the middle of probability. And curious, how did you train this? What sort of training data approach that you're allowed, obviously can reveal, but what did you use for training data?
This is probably one of my favorite questions that I've ever been asked in my life because it really hits the nail on the head. So many people who build AI go for averages right in the model. It's so common that we forget that it's a choice. You don't have to go for the average. You don't have to, right? You don't have to go for the most likely choice. You don't have to. And so our models don't do that. We don't take you towards the mean. We don't give you the most likely outcome because we're trying to help you be creative and we trust you to make a good choice. So we on purpose give you low probability outcomes that we believe are good. And this is like literally encoded in the model. This is how we built it. We built it to give you different divergent, unique outcomes. And so if you shake the box many times, you keep getting different results so that you can write a piece of original, interesting lyrics, not lyrics that sound like everybody else's. Creativity, right? And then I just have to mention it's again, it's a gap in intent. A lot of these LLMs are designed to be truth telling, all knowing oracles, which is an absurd idea on the face of it. There are so many problems with the idea of having an all knowing oracle AI. It doesn't make any sense if we really think about it. But it also is polar opposite to the idea of having a creative machine that helps you explore divergent possibilities. And so, since we were not trying to build an all knowing oracle, we intentionally leaned into this divergent creative machine. And so we do not tend towards the mean.
Wow, it's like you're building edge cases in a good way, like, because that's where creativity comes from, the edge, right? It doesn't, it can come from the middle. I'm not trying to be it, but